Skagway. We're about to do the White Pass train. We're going to do the Scenic Journey. It's about a 3-hour tour. We're leaving at 12:30. Should be back around 3:30. Ship leaves at 4:30, so everything works out just fine. So who's ready to go ride on a train? Boop, boop. Well, after a 5-minute or so bus ride, we have made it to the train terminal where we're going to pick up our train, and it'll be about an hour and a half, hour and 40-minute ride. And then we're going to be taking about a 45-minute train to the end, back to where we started from. Cars, they have a heater, they have a bathroom, they give you water, and you can hang out on the front or the back stoop. I really recommend the back stoop because if you're on the front stoop, you're going to be having people that are on the back stoop in the car in front of you in your video. Well, I was doing some video for some people as the scenery came by, and then we came to like a sudden hard stop, and I don't know what happened, if there was a derailment or we hit something or a brake line just engaged, but it threw me like up against the wall. There's one person that fell forward in the area in front of the front pavilion, so we'll see. The conductor looked underneath the train, didn't see anything, so the brakeman's doing some checks now. So. Well, I don't know what happened, but it couldn't have been too serious. We were stopped for about 10 minutes or so.
Train car separated.
Train car separated? Is that what happened?
That's what they said.
I guess one of the train cars separated, so we had to hook it back up. Good times. just got to Canada, and customs checks everybody out and came on down. And look at how beautiful this stop is right here. It's insane. And this nice, beautiful lake out here. Phenomenal. Now we're getting ready to get on the bus and go drive about 45 minutes back to town. One thing is for sure, if you love trains, you will love Skagway. Well, that completes our time in Skagway. If you have any questions, let me know. Until next time, I'll see you next trip.